These are plastics, but chemists like to call them polymers, which are long organic molecules made of repeating monomers, meaning one, to make a polymer, meaning many. Plastics are super strong, causing them to have a long lifespan, which is great for advancing the transportation or medical device industry, but not so great for short-term uses like receipt paper or chewing gum. That's when plastics end up here, here, and here. Plastics don't really break down. The farthest they'll break down is into microplastics. So, over time we are faced with plastic pollution. This drastically affects marine life and human food and health. Now, while you might have heard recycling doesn't work, or have been deceived by terms like green or biodegradable in marketing tactics, you are a part of the solution. Here's how you can help, according to scientists at the Fieser lab.
Hi, I'm Megan Fieser. I'm an assistant professor in the chemistry department at USC, and my group is interested in tackling plastic pollution at the molecular level. One way that you can be part of the solution is to find the right substitutes for disposable plastic items. In the long run, these items can be better than the disposable plastics that you already use. One of the options that you can use is by substituting body wash with bar soap or a lighter with traditional matches. It can be difficult to find the right solutions, and this will often take a very big lifestyle change, so you need to be open-minded as you make this transition.
Another way to tackle plastic pollution is by recycling properly. You can recycle properly by making sure that the plastic item you're recycling is clean of food and other residue. You can also determine where to recycle by looking into your local recycling outlets. This can vary by color, shape, and symbol, as well as county guidelines.
Recycling is super important because it reduces the amount of plastic that ends up in our environment. Additionally, recycling aids in energy conservation, reduces the greenhouse effect by decreasing the demand for virgin materials, and helps the economy by generating more jobs.
While disposable plastics can be found in streets or parks, they're also in our beaches. At the Fieser lab, we organize at least 3 beach cleanups a year to directly prevent waste from entering the ocean. So far, our beach cleanups have prevented at least 42,840 items from entering the ocean.
Do you want to learn more about how you can be part of the solution to address plastic pollution? Check out our new website that addresses many of these problems in greater detail, where you can make adjustments to your life. You can also sign up for our beach cleanups in Southern California at this website, and we hope to see you join us in our mission to fight plastic pollution.